Hi guys, Brian here. So you may already know about Woxo and the new option of tweet to videos in less than 2 minutes. Well, let's check it out. The only thing you have to do is go to Messenger and message us, "Hey Woxo," and it will ask you if you want to create a video. Let's select a tweet video. You have to have the link ready, so just go to Twitter, copy the link and paste it here. You have the option to add a caption, or if you're not in the mood, just click no. Now just wait for it and it will be ready. Now that it is ready, let's download the video and post it in our Facebook story, okay? So open the video and here on the top you will see the download button. So just download it and let's post it, okay? So this is our video and let's just save it into our files to have it ready to post it, okay? Now let's open Facebook and create a story, search for your video and it is ready to post it. Let's click on share story now, okay? That's all for today guys, I hope you liked the video. Let us know any comments as always and have a nice day. Bye.